तमिलनाडु की राजनीति का रुख कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पर आज एआईएडीएमके ने अपने विधायकों की एक अहम बैठक बुलाई है। चुनाव नतीजे और शशिकला के ऑडियो टेप्स आने के बाद ये पहली बार होगा जब ओ पनीरसेल्वम और ई पलनीसामी एक साथ एक जगह पर मौजूद होंगे और आधिकारिक बैठक में हिस्सा लेंगे। बैठक का मुख्य एजेंडा इन दोनों ही नेताओं के आपसी मतभेदों को सुलझाना होगा। इसके अलावा पार्टी में कई प्रमुख नियुक्तियां भी हैं जो कि इस बैठक में की जा सकती हैं। हालांकि ओ पनीरसेल्वम पहले ही विपक्ष में डेप्यूटी लीडर के पद को लेकर अपनी असहमति जता चुके हैं। वो पार्टी के बड़े नेता का पद संभालना चाहते हैं जिससे उनकी पकड़ पार्टी के विधायकों पर बनी रहे। और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर मुगिलन इस समय हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं। मुगिलन, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग, वेरी crucial meeting as far as AIADMK is concerned, but it will be interesting to see if any important decision or outcome comes out of this meeting, or will it actually end up deepening the rift which is actually prevailing in the party already.
There are two issues that will be discussed in all extent is what we are hearing from our sources in ADMK. First is the several audio tapes which have surfaced on social media in which Shashikala says that she is going to come back and take control of the party. We have seen more than 25 audio clips has been released by Shashikala. So that will be discussed in the meeting today. ADMK leaders will be discussing about how to go about this, how to handle the video clips that have been released by the Shashikala. So these things will be discussed in the meeting today. And the second meeting is appointment of two important posts in ADMK, that is deputy leader of opposition and the party whip. So even though the meeting is to iron out the differences between both the parties, there will be differences while appointing these two posts is what we are getting to hear from ADMK. Recently we have seen the kind of infighting that has erupted between EPS and OPS. There were even poster wars in Tirunelveli districts where the supporters of EPS and OPS were putting out posters against each other. So to sort out all these differences today, the meeting will be held, but the appointment of these two key posts will be importantly discussed in the meeting today, because OPS is eyeing for the party whip post to his point person, but EPS is not ready to give in that post to OPS points person, because whip equally holds the importance of a leader of opposition when it comes to assembly. So there will be heated exchanges is what we are hearing from ADMK sources. The meeting will begin at 12 p.m. today, and in close to 1 hour we will get to know the decision that have been taken in the meeting today.
Right. Thank you, Mugilan, for sharing all those details.